In the primeval forest, I see everyone using this tool to chop wood. This isn't very practical. It's too labor intensive. So I had a sudden idea. I researched an aluminum plate. Taking this aluminum plate, we can fix it to our home's edge banding machine. Put the whole rubber ring on, loosen the screws. Slide it up like this. Then use this hexagonal board to secure it well. Tighten it and fasten the buckle screws on both sides. Next step, remove the pressure plate and install the entire gear. Then tighten the upper pressure plate and use this board to secure it. Next, we'll hang a chain on the entire guide plate, hooking it onto this gear. Then snap this chain tensioner directly onto the guide plate. Now put the machine casing cover on and install the protective cover. Put on these two screws first, but don't tighten them yet. Place this whole assembly and start adjusting the chain tension. This adjustment screw is for tightening or loosening the chain. Turning clockwise tightens the chain, counterclockwise loosens it. Clockwise is tight. Now it's properly adjusted. The chain can now move back and forth freely on this guide plate. That's good. Next step, tighten these two screws, then add some machine oil to this oil can for lubricating the chain. Now I've finished modifying it. Let's give it a try. Thank you all for watching.